traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 7th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. So anyways, on the 1 hour time frame, it's actually a very slow day today for the dollar pairs, especially. It is Monday, so not really uncommon. Now we did break up, but this move right here to me is a higher low than this right here, so that tells me that this could be an A. This does look like three waves down, could be a wave B. We may actually be in a wave C right now. The trend to me is definitely still down, at least until we break above these structure levels right here. So if we do make three waves up to any one of these Fibonacci retracement levels with a nice engulfing move to the downside, I definitely still am primarily looking for shorts in a downtrend. It still looks to me like we're in a wave 3 of wave A or wave 1. So, anyways, we do have a couple things to keep an eye on for the news calendar, but tomorrow is Tuesday. We got meeting minutes for the Aussie this evening, if that's a time zone that's available for you. Otherwise, not really much in the news calendar until Wednesday, which we have meeting minutes for the US on Wednesday. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.